Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete autofill data in your web browser to protect your privacy and clear saved form information, follow these step-by-step instructions for the most popular browsers. Step 1. Open your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Access the browser settings by clicking the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Privacy and Security or Privacy section in the Settings menu. Step 4. Look for options labeled Autofill, Addresses, and More, or Payment Methods depending on your browser. Step 5. Click on the autofill category you want to clear, such as addresses or payment methods. Step 6. Review the saved autofill entries and click the three-dot icon or delete button next to each entry you want to remove. Step 7. Confirm the deletion when prompted to permanently clear the autofill data from your browser. Step 8. Repeat these steps for other autofill categories if needed to ensure all unwanted data is removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.